Hello everyone, welcome back to Practice No Math Junior. I'm teacher Athena. Today you're going to learn how to create condition-specific loop in Scratch. In this game, I have to protect my safe from the invaders, so I have to use my laser gun to shoot the invaders down. And I will get points if I shoot the invaders successfully. So let's see how we can make this game in Scratch.
Let's start to do our project by choosing a backdrop in the library. You can choose any backdrops as you like. In this project, I'm going to choose desert as my backdrop. Next, I'm going to delete the cats because I do not want it to appear in my project. Following, I'm going to upload a sprite from internet. You can go online to flat icon and search for the laser gun pictures and choose the one that you like. And then you can download it into your computer by pressing this PNG button and choose free download. Okay, once it is downloaded, let's go back to your project and upload your sprite by clicking this button. You can position your gun and also to change its size to make it smaller. Let's try 30. Okay. Next, we have to add the second sprite, which is a laser. You can draw your own laser sprite in Scratch. So let's go to Paint. In this project, my laser will be in rectangular shape, so I'm going to use this button and draw a small rectangle over here. You can choose any color as you like. For me, I'm going to choose red. Alright, and you can position your laser and also change its size to a smaller size. For example, 30 as well. If it is too small, you can change it to 50 maybe. Okay, it looks good. So let's add some codes for our sprite. For the laser gun, it will show when the game starts, and it can change its direction by following the mouse pointer. So let's drag when green flag clicked and ask the laser gun to show. And then we want the laser gun to forever pointing to the mouse pointer. So we need a forever block. And inside, we need a block called points towards mouse pointer. Next, we are going to add codes for our laser sprite. This laser sprite will go to the front layer in this project because we do not want it to be covered by other sprites. And when the game starts, it will hide at the beginning. So let's find a hide block and then add go to front layer underneath. The movement of the laser is controlled by the space key, so let's find a when space key pressed button. We would like the laser sprite to follow the gun, so we want it to go to the laser gun position, and also same as the laser gun, we want it to point towards the mouse pointer, so wherever the mouse pointer goes, it will follow that direction. So let's go to motion and go to random position, and we want it to go to laser gun, so change it to laser gun. And then we want it to point towards the mouse pointer, same as the laser gun. And then because when the green flag is clicked, originally the laser sprite is hiding, and now we want it to show when the spacebar is clicked. So find a show block and put it underneath. we would like to ask the laser to move. When it touches the edge, it will hide. There are few possible ways to do it. We can go to Glide and add a glide block and ask the laser to go to the mouse pointer. And you will see it's moving towards the mouse pointer. However, the speed is a little bit slow. And this is not the best way we want it to be in our projects. We can also try using the repeat block, and inside we will add move 20 steps. Now you can have a look. The speed is faster compared to using the gliding block. However, the laser stopped in the midway. And you can try to change the number over here. However, sometimes it is hard for us to predict the distance of the laser and how far we want it to go. So this is not a feasible way to do it as well. And now we are going to try another block. You can find it in control and it is called repeat until. This repeat until block will hold the blocks inside and repeat it until a condition is true. So we are going to ask the laser to repeat to move for 30 steps, and we'll move 30 steps until it touches the edge. So touching the edge will be the condition. If this condition is met, then the laser will stop moving. Let's have a look. Okay, it is working. The laser follows the mouse pointer direction and it will move and touch it and stop moving when it touches the edge. And now we would like the laser to hide when it touches the edge, so we need to go and find a hide block. Now, you cannot see the laser anymore when it touches the edge. And this looks good. So now, in this video, you have already learned how to add the sprite and also how to make your laser gun and laser to move. And in the next video, you're going to learn to add invaders and to complete the second part of your game. Let's have a little recap on what you have learned today. You have learned a block called repeat until, and this block helps to hold the codes inside and repeat it until a condition is true. In other words, it means if the condition is true, then the codes inside will stop running. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the project. Remember to give us a thumbs up if you like it, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button to get our daily contents. I'm teacher Athena, and this is Preface Nomad Jr.